reality, right? We have these three main life support systems. The choices that we make as individuals have impacts on those systems. The choices we make as a collective whole, as a nation, as a company, as an entire species, impacts these life support systems right now. I like to think about it as we're designing the future that we want to live in through the choices we make today. So essentially, we live on a finite planet with finite resources. These are the facts. There's no making this up, right? Humans need air, food, and water to survive. There's only one planet. Even the planet they recently found that they think looks like planet Earth. So a lot of people focus on recycled materials, which is great. But the big problem that I see constantly is they couple different types of recycled materials together. And it accidentally redesigns that same product. And so if we want to change products and services, we need to think about redesigning the form as well as the function.
I think we definitely need something that generates data. We've used it. We find that our data is not comparable at the end of it. So I think there's a challenge over how do you use it in the outside world.
Because one of the reasons we have mass consumerism that's unsustainable is because we sell aspiration rather than the reality. And we sell the idea that something can be used for 30 seconds and it has no value.
Yeah, so biomimetics is how you mimic nature. So it's looking at how nature does things. And I think sustainability is also a bit like that. Once you understand it a little bit more, it's the best kept secret in the world.
Can really make a good step forward that people say, okay, design a system with these life cycle benefits in mind, not tell the companies how to do it, but what should be the end goal, and really work together, and not that everybody is looking for the perfect solution for him herself.
How can we optimize the material selection for this specific piece of packaging, for example, but really think how can we get a serving of shampoo to a customer in rural India in the best possible way.